Friends, this is a very important video to ensure that your installation is high quality and your clients are always satisfied. After installation, you need to make sure that the system is correctly reading data from the car and that you have connected the correct power supply. This is also a very important point. You are probably aware of this, because on some wires the positive or negative may disappear or the polarity may change, which can cause the device to lose power and behave incorrectly. To make sure everything is working correctly, you go into the monitor and check the most important parameters. These are ignition, running engine, gear position and speed. Let's check how the data is being read. We have now started the engine. We can see that the ignition is detected correctly. The running engine is detected. The speed is currently 0, but you will need to check this while driving. Now let's check the gear selector position. I'm switching it on. We can see that the system is detecting everything correctly. After this, please make sure to drive the car a little. Make sure that the data from the monitor does not disappear. Turn on various functions of the car to also make sure that you have connected the power correctly. After that, you can hand the car over to the client and be confident that everything will be fine.